Many of you know how hard it is to make money online, but that doesn't mean there aren't ways to make money. In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple method that allows you to make $100 per day just by taking photos using your smartphone. This is how you can make money instantly in your spare time, and that could be done in less than 5 minutes. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Are you looking for a way to earn instant money? If that's the case, there's an app called Gigwalk to make money by taking photos using your smartphone. As an app for micro jobs, Gigwalk gives you the opportunity to make money by doing basic tasks. Members are referred to as Gigwalkers after they join. Gigwalk app is available on both iOS and Android devices. Visit the Apple Store or Google Play to download the app. Once you've downloaded and registered, you can begin working on a gig right away. You'll be able to view all of the gigs in your region as soon as you log into the app. Most gigs require you to take photos of a shop or a product it sells. Occasionally, it will ask you to buy something. But don't worry, if this is the case, they will refund you for the money you paid on the transaction. You must submit all of your outputs through the gig page after you've completed the task. Your work will then be reviewed. If all goes according to plan, your application will be accepted and you'll be compensated. It's possible that a customer may provide comments on your work through the app, so be prepared for that possibility. If you submitted work, be careful to periodically check the app. In the event that the customer is attempting to contact you, Gigwalk pays only through PayPal. You will get paid every time you complete a gig. That means you don't have to reach a threshold to withdraw your earnings, and you don't have to request a payout because Gigwalk will process payments automatically. To receive your earnings via PayPal, just log into the app and link your PayPal account. The amount you can earn as a gig walker will mostly depend on your location. Gigs can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and pay anywhere from $3 to $100. The more complicated and longer it takes to complete the gig, the higher the amount you will earn. If you are in a big city, you'll have a lot of opportunities to make money using this app since you'll have a wide range of gigs. Otherwise, you may not make much money from it. However, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.